The Anunnakis, often referred to in historical and speculative discourse, are a group of deities from ancient Mesopotamian mythology, particularly associated with the Sumerians, Akkadians, Assyrians, and Babylonians. These deities were considered powerful beings who played a crucial role in the creation myths and cosmology of these civilizations. In essence, the Anunnakis were thought to be divine caretakers of the earth, holding dominion over various aspects of the natural world and human affairs. Their significance is rooted in the ancient texts like the Enuma Elish and the Epic of Gilgamesh, which portray them as agents of order and civilization, responsible for crucial aspects of life and the universe. Understanding the Anunnakis is essential when exploring ancient civilizations because they offer insight into how people in these early societies perceived the world around them and their place within it. This point holds great importance as it demonstrates the intersection of mythology, religion, and governance in early human history. The Anunnakis were seen not merely as mythical figures, but as integral components of cultural identity in understanding the divine hierarchy. Real-world applications of the Anunnakis concept are evident in both academic and popular culture contexts. In archaeology and history, the study of ancient texts and artifacts provides a deeper understanding of Mesopotamian society and its influence on subsequent cultures and religious thought. Meanwhile, in modern speculative fields, the Anunnakis have been incorporated into theories about ancient astronauts, suggesting they were extraterrestrial beings who influenced early human development. This notion, while popular in some circles, remains controversial and widely debated among scholars. Critically, there are divergent opinions regarding the Anunnakis' role in nature. Some scholars emphasize their mythological significance, while others, particularly in fringe communities, view them as literal historical figures. This leads to challenges and controversies, especially when considering the lack of concrete evidence for extraterrestrial involvement in human history. Additionally, interpretations of ancient texts vary, leading to different understandings of the Anunnakis' characteristics and influence. The concept of the Anunnakis connects to broader themes like the human quest for meaning and the interpretation of religious and mythological narratives. Their depiction not only influences how ancient cultures are studied, but also reflects on the enduring human curiosity about our origins in the universe. Ultimately, the exploration of the Anunnakis highlights the complex interplay between mythology, history, and speculative thought, encouraging both academic inquiry and imaginative exploration. The Anunnakis are a group of deities from ancient Mesopotamian cultures, particularly notable in Sumerian, Akkadian, Assyrian, and Babylonian mythology. The term Anunnaki is thought to derive from the Sumerian words An, meaning sky or heaven, and Na, meaning subordinate, and they are often depicted as powerful beings who came from the heavens to influence the earth. These gods were believed to control various aspects of the universe, including elements of life and the fate of humans, thus underscoring their significance as both creators and overseers of human civilization. The significance of the Anunnakis lies in their purported role as teachers and bringers of knowledge. In myth, they were considered instrumental in the creation of mankind, either by directly crafting humans or by offering gifts of civilization, such as farming, writing, and law. Their influence permeates ancient texts and cultural practices, suggesting that they shaped early human societies and religious thought. This point invites discussions about the origins of human civilization and the possible extraterrestrial influences suggested by some interpretations. One prime example of the Anunnakis' influence is the Epic of Gilgamesh, where gods similar to the Anunnaki play pivotal roles in the narrative, affecting the protagonist's journey in human destiny. Another example lies in the ziggurats, massive structures built in ancient Mesopotamia that some theorists argue were constructed with knowledge imparted. Anunnakis' influence is the Epic of Gilgamesh, where gods similar to the Anunnaki play pivotal roles in the narrative, affecting the protagonist's journey in human destiny. Another example lies in the ziggurats, massive structures built in ancient Mesopotamia that some theorists argue were constructed with knowledge imparted by these deities. These illustrate how the lore surrounding the Anunnaki has inspired not only ancient stories and architecture, but also modern discussions and theories. There are diverse opinions regarding the Anunnakis. Mainstream historians typically view them as mythological figures representing natural forces or societal rulers. However, alternative theories popularized by authors like Zecharia Sitchin suggest they were ancient astronauts who visited Earth, a viewpoint met with skepticism by the scientific community due to lack of empirical evidence. Controversies surrounding the Anunnakis include debates over the validity of interpretations like Sitchin's ancient astronaut theory, which challenges traditional historical and archaeological methodologies. Critics argue that such theories lack substantiation and often distort ancient texts. The concept of the Annunakis interconnects with broader themes of human origin and destiny, influencing other aspects of ancient mythology and modern speculative thought. Their narrative offers a lens through which to explore humanity's enduring quest for knowledge and understanding of our place in the cosmos, serving as a bridge between ancient mythos and contemporary intellectual curiosity. The term Anunnaki refers to a group of deities from ancient Mesopotamian cultures, particularly the Sumerians, Akkadians, Assyrians, and Babylonians. Originating around the 3rd millennium BCE, the Anunnaki were considered to be powerful gods who played crucial roles in mythology, creation myths, and the governance of humans. As celestial beings, they were believed to have descended from An, the sky god, and Kai, the earth goddess. The Anunnaki's significance lies in their perceived influence over human affairs and their purported role in the advancement of civilization. Understanding the origins and historical context of the Anunnaki is important to grasp their impact on ancient cultures and modern interpretations. Firstly, the Anunnaki were seen as intermediaries between humans and the divine, tasked with maintaining cosmic order. This highlights their importance in religious practices and temple rituals. One example is the Enuma Elish, a Babylonian creation myth, where the Anunnaki play vital roles in the creation of the world and the establishment of kingship. Secondly, the famous Sumerian king list, which blends myth and history, often attributes divine ancestry or endorsement to rulers, suggesting that the Anunnaki's favor was crucial for legitimizing power. There are opinions that the Anunnaki were more than mere mythological figures. Some contemporary theorists, such as Zecharia Sitchin, have controversially claimed that the Anunnaki were actually ancient astronauts who visited Earth, influencing human development. While mainstream scholars dismiss these ideas as pseudoscience, they have captured the imagination of many and fueled speculative theories in popular culture. The concept of the Anunnaki is not without challenges and controversies. Skeptics argue that interpretations like those of Sitchin lack empirical evidence and misinterpret ancient texts. Furthermore, there is debate among historians about the precise roles and depictions of the Anunnaki across different Mesopotamian cities and periods, reflecting the complex evolution of these deities over time. The exploration of the Anunnaki's origins in historical context connects to broader discussions about the interaction between myth and reality, the ways ancient societies understood their world, and the enduring legacy of ancient mythologies in shaping human thought. By examining their roots, we gain insights into how ancient civilizations perceived divine authority and human origins, ideas that continue to inspire and provoke debate today. The Anunnakis, often depicted as a group of deities from ancient Mesopotamian culture, particularly within the Sumerian, Akkadian, Assyrian, and Babylonian mythologies, are shrouded in ancient civilizations' perceived divine authority and human origins, ideas that continue to inspire and provoke debate today. The Anunnakis, often depicted as a group of deities from ancient Mesopotamian culture, particularly within the Sumerian, Akkadian, Assyrian, and Babylonian mythologies, are shrouded in both historical intrigue and modern speculation. Defined as powerful gods, these beings were believed to be responsible for the creation of humanity and the establishment of civilization in Mesopotamian mythology. Their significance lies in their portrayal as intermediaries between the divine and the mortal realms, playing crucial roles in mythological narratives that sought to explain the origins of the world and human society. In relation to the main topic of who were the Anunnakis, their depiction underscores humanity's age-old quest to understand its own origins and the workings of the universe. This fascination with divine entities shaping human destiny is a recurring theme in many cultures, reflecting the profound impact such narratives have on human identity and cultural heritage. One specific example of the Anunnakis' influence is found in the Sumerian creation myth, the Enuma Elish, where they are credited with forming humans from clay, creating a servant class for the gods. Another example is their sometimes speculative role in modern theories, such as the ancient astronaut hypothesis, which suggests that the Anunnakis were extraterrestrial beings who influenced early human civilizations. These interpretations reflect the ongoing human curiosity about extraterrestrial life and the mysteries surrounding our own existence. Opinions supporting the idea of the Anunnakis as ancient extraterrestrials often point to unexplained technological achievements in ancient history as potential evidence of their influence. However, such theories are contentious and often criticized by mainstream historians and archaeologists who argue that they undermine the capabilities and ingenuity of ancient human societies. Controversies surrounding the Annunakis extend to differing interpretations within scholarly and popular contexts. While some view them purely through a mythological lens, others entertain the possibility of their real